As for the first step, we studied on numerous papers to know how mobile health applications work. We found out that most papers work on active data, where a user actively provides information such as survey, and also passive data is generated automatically without any participation or action from user. For the next step, we come up with a general conclusion, which is combination of active and passive data collection is the most effective way in developing mental health apps.
To prove our general conclusion, we conducted a survey that involved 36 respondents. So these are the results.
Mental Care Journal (Mac Journal) is a mobile application that was developed using Android Studio using Java language mainly. As for database, we are using cloud database with no SQL language, which is real-time database of Firebase, and with Google Maps API.
This application provides three main functions, which are depression evaluation, mood tracking, and track nearby location. It is an application developed to fulfill users' need from conduct.
This application works on first step by providing an assessment by using back depression eventuality. The purpose of this assessment is to evaluate the level of depression severity. It consists of 21 questions. Each question consists of 4 multiple choice answers. Each answer has different scores.
After completed the assessment, the score will be added by using calculate function. The highest possible total for the whole test would be 63, while for the lowest score would be 0. Total scores are used to obtain the level of depression based on this index. User is required to input their mood daily to keep track with their mental health status. There are 13 moods that user needs to input every day. Each mood have range between 0 to 5 for user to input using Sigbar. At the end of every month, a graph will be generated.
Track nearby is a function which enables user to track nearby location that provides psychiatric services with the help of Google Maps API. On the map, it will be displayed two different markers colors, yellow, which indicates the user's current location, and the blue one will indicate the nearby psychiatric services available.
This is main interface of Mac Journal. First, users need to answer a set of DDI questions. From that, the total marks will be calculated to detect users' depression severity. After accounts have been created, these are three main functions users can navigate.
After 1 month of daily mood inputs, it will generate a graph as shown. This application is using only active data and no passive data are collected. Graph is chosen as a medium since it is easy to understand and to compare. Sigbar also used as it is easy to control and users are more familiar with it since it has been applied in other applications.
As user click the track nearby button, it will then display two different markers on the map, which are user current locations and nearby psychiatric services available. Based on 5 volunteers during application testing, it can be concluded that this application is simple and easy to navigate, and also the performance only takes almost 4 minutes for user to using this application.